Hello, class, and welcome to week 3 of English 101 Online for Winter 2019. Thank you to those of you who have submitted your health essay on time via the Assignments tab to the left on the navigation bar in Blackboard. I will try to get the essays graded in the next couple of days, so be on the lookout for any feedback from me. Certainly, if you receive a grade of 70 or higher, then you've passed the essay. If you receive a grade of 69 or lower and you've turned your essay in on time, you have the opportunity to revise it for a passing grade. A passing grade is a grade of 70 or higher. I should be returning your essays in the next couple days. Now I'd like you to begin looking at the next module, which is the Criminal Justice System module. That is the final module for this semester of English 101 Online. Right now I'm looking at the Calendar tab, and you're welcome to go to that daily to look to see what is due. You have several readings to do for the Criminal Justice System tab, and you also have some Lumen practice assignments for that particular module as well. By now, it should be a little bit familiar. The Lumen resources are found under web links on the left side of the navigation bar, and the readings are found in the learning modules under the assigned topic. In this case, it is the criminal justice topic. I want to take you to that very quickly, the criminal justice system, and for short, we call it the CRJS module. If you click on it, you should be able to find information about what's coming up for the criminal justice system, the readings, and all of the other materials that you will need as you evaluate our justice system and how justice is meted out. Is it fair? Is it skewed to a certain group? Is it biased to another group? And so forth and so on. So that is what we'll be working on until the end of the semester. So I hope that this video was helpful. Thank you.